Welcome to LRS UK and the demonstration of our brand new Vibe Plus alphanumeric pager, also known as the RX-AP2. This replaces our older technology pager. This is what the older one looks like, and anybody who's used LRS for a while will know that pager. It's been around for year upon year upon year. But we've taken the time to get an updated product now that takes this way beyond anything that ordinary text pagers can handle. Yes, this is the brand new pager that's colour, that's an alpha text pager that can do so many more things than most competitive pagers. It has multiple features that we're going to run through quickly. I just thought I'd show you the CE approvals, the ROSH compliance and that sort of thing as we go. So let's talk a little bit about this pager. Well, firstly, as you can see here, this is a new larger full colour screen with improved readability over most of all the text pages that are out there. None come anywhere near this. It's got that improved readability that really matters. It's a new backlit full colour display. It's got scrolling messages with large readable text. It's a high quality display for sure. Inside this is a new lithium-ion battery for longer charge life when you're running with this rechargeable lithium-ion, far longer than the older pager. If you notice here, there's a little light. It might occasionally flash. Either way, when it's on charge, this unit, that light lights up, so you've got a good indication of what's happening. You can also see at the top corner up here how full the battery is, which is another feature that's not really covered on many alphanumeric pages. We've got reformulated plastic case and clip. It offers improved durability. You'll see we've got the yellow LRS design work coming into play. You can see that. That's a bumper, so if this lands on the floor, it's going to land on the bumper, and the bumper will help to protect the device itself. It's got full text-based messaging for really detailed communication. As I've said, it can scroll across the screen and can retain many messages, in fact. A device like this all-new Vibe Plus, this is redesigned from the ground up and packed with powerful enhancements to elevate team communication like never before. So let's get a quick overview about it. Its dimensions, we'll do them in inches because LRS is an American company that still uses inches, which is good for me and maybe bad for you, but there you go. It's 3 inch by 2¼ by 3/4. It weighs 2.25 ounces. It's got its shock absorb bumper that we've already mentioned. It's a rechargeable 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. It's 1.5 by 1.1/8 inch large colour display. It really is a nice display. It's a 3-button user interface down here, which maybe you can see. Very simple to use. It's got a plastic clip. There's a heartbeat active LED, which we've talked about. And it can beep and vibe, or beep with notifications. There's a charger for it, and the charger is a 5-slot smart charger, expandable to 15. Full charge time is just 4 hours. LED colour charging indication is there, so you can see exactly what's going on. Now I want to just mention the clip and the reason why we'd have a clip like this for a pager like that. Well, it's all very simple because on a lot of competitive products they have a clip that screws on the back in some way, one way or another, and when they do that they charge you the earth to have a clip changed, which we didn't think is right. So what we did is we just have an external clip like we always have had, and this just pushes in, and there's no way that this clip is ever going to lose the pager. It just won't lose it. So that's a very useful way of reducing costs to our customers, and we think that's worth the effort. But as well as that, we've always done this. We have what might look like a leather case. In reality it's not a leather case, it's a Forks leather case. So it's a sort of imitation leather, but it does protect your pager incredibly well, and you can see that it fits in here really well, clips over, and this thing is so strong. It's a fabulous pager protector, and they don't cost a lot of money either, so they're absolutely worth buying when you're buying these pagers. Okay, well, that's the quick overview of the Vibe Plus alphanumeric pager, also known as the RX-AP2. And we have another new device coming presently that replaces all of our server pages into this type of format, and really latest technology just like this. You can set up groups and all sorts of things, just like we did on the old pager, but brought up to 2026 with this. This is absolutely a brilliant pager, and you're not going to find anything at all like it for the money that it's available for. It should be available in January or early February 2026, and yeah, very exciting product indeed. When it's linked with the TX7471 with 2 watts output, this system is second to nothing. Now, you will know that we do have, or you might know, that we do have a 3-year warranty on our products, and that applies to all LRS products that we sell. And the reason we do that is, well, some pages have got no warranty from other people, and some of our better competitors, we'll call them that, they have 1-year warranty and sometimes 2, but I don't think any of them have a 3-year warranty. Whether they dare do it or not, I don't know, but we always offer a 3-year warranty at LRS UK. Not necessarily available at other LRS offices. It's a UK thing. And, we've got customer services that can help you with any problem, and engineers that are trained from the factory. So we're all up to speed and have been since 2000 in the UK. If you want to know more, go to lrspages.co.uk, where you can see all the other products. And don't forget that we can offer you a free trial of this equipment, so you can get to grips with it yourself and see how good it is. And we're quite confident that when you try it, you'll buy it. That's it for now. If you've got any questions, do contact us on 01782 53 7000, and we're more than happy to help you in every way we can. Thanks for looking at LRS equipment.